What is that one? So they tell me the TV so they be am call.
Was it then office equals traffic no was it?
Nsuo no. Yes, the flower.
Okay. So no nka pasa uji said then na government bet my ya be support. So
Fine way there. The government can say ya na dey be e bete. Na oba be gu sokota. Na nti beto na asai say dia. Say ya na bet government no. Ono anga say oni me you overpass na also oye there.
oh yeah.
Oye wa hanom sa short time way. Na bridge with me there. E be da ase kese na.
Nti oye overpass na chesa who pasa so no be down na akwa we mu ana.
Yes, that's needed.
Ekwa we mu like it will dirty this water. It will be like galamsey water down there. This water is useful water. Don't you think so?
Yeah, no, but you no do that. This water is so big. You cannot do that. This water is just a small flooding, maybe can pass maybe 1 hour
But
time.
you know that it brings the sun. It brings sun from the mountain top there.
Yes, I know. And that sand it cannot go into that water.
Okay.
Yes.
So your suggestion is that government should do overpass
And do the gutter down.
and
That's
now
all.
prevent the traffic here.
Yes.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Sam.
I'm saying that always you are here. Does the drivers give you money?
Yes, they give us money, but now they do not pay. Yes, because they say that it's hard. Government is not giving them money or something like that. The government is no good.
But when
so
you come here, you get a little to go home.
Oh, I get a little. Yeah,
but I'm saying that you people have been digging here to maintain the road here.
Yes, when it's not water, potos is there.
Yes.
So you just dig here and fill the potos
Fill
help
the
drivers. Yes.
Okay, to help the drivers.
Yes.
Okay. You say your name is what?
Eddie Samuel.
Okay. All right. Thank you for speaking for us.
Okay, thank you too.
Or this is your first time?
I live in Kasoa, so I normally use this road.
You normally use it. So what do you think is the cause of this bad nature of the road here? This section of the road?
So it's because of the mountain that showed it out for individual to build on top of it, and it's also causing land erosion. So when it rains, when it rains, all the erosions come to this side. Yeah, and it's going to affect the road because all the sand is going to drain on the road. You understand? So the best option for them to do here is maybe do flyover, or they have to construct a very big gutter, and it will be under the distance.
But you know the sun is from the mountain. If they create gutter here, it will go into this water. Which government doesn't want it to happen like that way?
And if that one too is not done, the road is not going to be good, or it's not going to be in the proper way.
Okay. Thank you for speaking to us.
Thank you too.